Feel pretty lucky too, because we're talking about lower back pain, which is something millions of Americans suffer with every day, and many of those are a result of arthritis. But you don't have to suffer. There are some easy solutions to help ease the pain. Dr. Alex Bigham from NovaCure Pain Management Clinics is here to talk about those solutions. And here's the cool news. If you have any questions for the doctor, guess what? He's going to be here all morning. You are in luck today because he will answer them for you live. All you need to do is go to your computer right now, email your question to sonoranliving.com, click on the right-hand side of your screen, click on House Calls, and ask a question. And you know what? You get it to us in time, Dr. Bigham is here and he will answer it for you. All right, so, well, let's just start off because, you know, back pain, everybody has it. I don't care, you know, how old you are or what you do in life, but what are some of the main causes of such back pain?
Yeah, you know, when we think of arthritis, you think, well, that's something that only older folks get, but it's not necessarily the case. And I was just thinking about all these Olympic athletes that we've been watching on TV for the last couple weeks. And a lot of those people at a very young age are going to be struggling with arthritic changes. So it's not necessarily an old person's problem alone. But how does it manifest in different conditions that people might have in their back or neck? And, you know, first I just wanted to show a simple slide that represents how your back can begin to look once you begin to experience arthritis. And on the left-hand side, we see a normal couple of vertebrae, the bones in our spine, and the normal disc or the shock-absorbing pads in between those bones, nice and thick, provides a lot of shock-absorbing capability.
Side.
That's the healthy side. Once we start to get arthritis, it starts to look more like on the right-hand side, where that disc, the soft pad in between the bones, starts to wear away. And we can start to get crowding on some of that nerve tissue that exists right behind the bones and the disc. And you can see what kind of issues that can begin to develop. But specifically, what kind of conditions besides just this normal wear and tear? And that's really what arthritis is. Degenerative or osteoarthritis is simply wear and tear. But here, for example, is some specific examples of how arthritis can affect our back. Disc herniation. You know, our disc, did you know that our disc is made up kind of like a donut, like a jelly donut, where it's got a soft inside and a harder outer portion. And when you begin to get wear and tear on that disc, you can see in this graphic how the center gel portion can begin to squirt out, just like when you bite into a jelly donut. Here we see that gel, and it's squirting backwards onto our spinal cord or our nerve root, and obviously that can generate pain. Now, another condition, and we'll throw up another graphic here, something called spondylolisthesis. Forget about the big word, but it's basically where one of the bones in our spine begins to slide forward on the bone underneath it. And that's called spondylolisthesis. And doctors grade it depending on how far it slid forward in grades 1 through 4. And this just illustrates the grading system that we use to grade it. Interesting that if you have an infant who is beginning to walk, you don't want them to really start walking until they're maybe 10, 11, 12 months of age, because when they start walking too early, at say 8 or 9 months old, their frame is not built to withstand their body weight yet, and that can lead to this problem when they get older.
I never knew that.
Isn't that is so, you know.
Nobody's ever said that to me before.
You hear parents, you know, kind of bragging about, oh yeah, he's only 8 months old, he's already
walking all over the place.
Not necessarily the best thing. The other thing that can lead to that condition is really a heavy set person. It's just too much weight on their spine over long periods of time, and it'll break the bone. Here's another common arthritic condition that develops. This is more common to people as we get older, and it is stenosis. And it is simply the narrowing of the nerve canals, and we begin to get pressure on the spinal cord and the nerve tissue. And then, do we have one more? I think that's it, actually, on the different graphics. So just some quick examples of some of the things that you're going to see. Well, I'm hurting, I'm going to go into the doctor. What do I have? And those are some of the most common degenerative arthritic conditions that you're going to be talked to about.
Unbelievable. A good tip on babies walking, though. I never knew that. Okay, NovaCure Pain Management Clinics. Now, they have 2 locations in the Valley. And if you want some more information, of course, you can visit NovaCure.com, or you can give them a call at 480-855-NOVO, which is 480-855-6686. And hey, you know what? If you've got a question about lower back pain, now is the time to email it to us. Just go to the computer, click on sonoranliving.com, click on House Calls, submit your question. Dr. Bigham will be here all morning to answer it on the air live. And we're We are back with Dr. Alex Bigham from NovaCure Pain Management Clinics, and we want to make sure that you get your questions in, and we're taking the first. This is actually a frequently asked question. And can taking a calcium supplement help or prevent degenerative back conditions?
You know, I get that question an awful lot, and the simple answer is no. Calcium is really more about bone density. It's not about degenerative or wear and tear changes to the joints. And one thing that you need to remember is that when you do take a calcium supplement, you need to take it with magnesium. In fact, you need twice as much magnesium to the amount of calcium. So if you're taking 500 milligrams of calcium, you better be taking 1,000 milligrams of magnesium. Otherwise, that calcium gets laid down in our body. It begins to harden. It'll cause arterial sclerosis for cardiac problems. It gets laid down in soft tissue. It can actually exaggerate or exacerbate arthritic pain. So that's not a good plan.
Ooh, good question and good answer. And you know, you got to be careful. You don't want to cause more problems. All right. Thanks, Dr. Bigham. You know what? We're still taking your questions. Just go to the computer right now. Log on sonoranliving.com. Click on House Calls on the right side of the page. Dr. Bigham will be here throughout the show answering your questions. It's a great opportunity, Steph. But first, we are sitting with Dr. Alex Bigham from NovaCure Pain Management Clinics, answering your questions about lower back pain. And remember, this is an hour show, so you've got to put your questions in pretty fast, right? All right, so here is a question. What are some of the most common causes of degenerative changes in our back?
Okay, so what causes arthritis? How can we get there faster than we should? Because we noted that it was a simple wear and tear. Think trauma. It's either going to be a major trauma, like a car accident, a sporting injury, a knee injury that you had perhaps when you were younger, and that can accelerate the wear and tear changes that you'll experience in any given body part. Or think micro trauma, typing on a keyboard all day, or having to sit in it or work in an awkward ergonomic position all day. Those are all things that can accelerate these degenerative or arthritic changes that can lead to increased pain as you begin to age.
And what Dr. Bigham said earlier is that it can happen at any age. You
That's
know,
right.
Arthritis isn't just for the elderly, it can happen.
Yep.
So if you're experiencing some symptoms, you should definitely have it checked.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Dr. Bigham. We're still taking your questions, so if you have any more about lower back pain, just let us know. Head to sonoranliving.com. Click on the House Calls button on the right side of your screen, and Dr. Bigham will be here throughout the show answering your questions. Steph. All right, well, the doctor's still in the house. We're back with Dr. Alex Bigham from NovaCure Pain Management Clinics, and it's time for our final question. And we're talking about lower back pain this morning. And Dr. Bigham, cold or heat? What is the best treatment for arthritis pain?
We get that question all the time.
I bet you do.
If it's a new injury where there's inflammation, a lot of pain present, always cold, always cold. And make sure that you insulate the ice pack with a t-shirt or something, not directly into the skin. Now, if it's a long-term chronic injury where there's more just stiffness involved, heat. Heat's the best source there. But now, what do you do when this pain is lasting for longer than 6 weeks, say? That's where we call it a chronic pain condition.
Where the ice isn't helping it and the heat's not helping it.
Right. That's when they need to call NovaCure Pain Management Clinics, because we have a lot of non-invasive options, treatment options for them. Many of them are injectable procedures, but they're all very quick, very painless, and very easy to knock that pain level down. So these people don't need to be struggling with pain, as a lot of people think, I'm just going to have to live with it. No, you don't. You just need to call NovaCure.
Right. Well, that's the thing. A lot of people do think, you know what, it is what it is, and, you know, they're afraid.
Yeah, they are. They are. And there's no need for that. There is answers out there. They just need to pick up the phone and call.
All right. Well, that is good to know. Thank you so much for answering your questions. And you're going to continue, because we had so many questions come in still that we weren't able to get to, but you're going to be able to answer those.
We'll answer them. Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay. All right, so here's what you can do. NovaCure Pain Management Clinics, if you still have questions, they have 2 Valley locations, or you can visit them at novacure.com, or you can call their office at 480-855-NOVO. That would be 6686, by the way.